friends. So here is my intro for today's video. I am just going to be cleaning my bedroom and my bathroom. This will definitely be a power hour. That'll probably take me just over an hour, but I'm okay with that. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, my name is Cori. I am a mother to 4 and I'm married to my high school sweetheart. We are coming up on 17 years here in October. It's just a little bit about me. I would love it if you would subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I hope that you are having a beautiful Saturday. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, so like I mentioned in the beginning clip, we are just going to be cleaning my master bedroom and my master bathroom. I'm sure that you guys will have questions because you're not seeing me vacuum or mop or clean the shower. My husband has already vacuumed all the floors up here. He has already mopped that bathroom, and he will be cleaning the shower when he goes in there to shower. He cleans the main floor of the house. So if you're wondering, that is what's going on. I have a Prince Charming who does a lot of the cleaning in the house, the majority of the cleaning in the house. So I'm super thankful for him, and I adore him for being so willing to help all of the time. You will also see my bedroom door is like opening and closing back and forth. My hair is flying all over the place. Things are flying all over the place. And that's because we have all of our windows open and our fans going just to cool down the house. It's still super hot here where we live. So we are just opening up all the windows and letting in the breeze. So if that door bothers you, I'm super sorry. The laundry basket is keeping it in place. If I didn't have the laundry basket right there, the door would slam shut. You will see here that Taya thought that I was done with her laundry basket, but I was actually using it to keep the door propped open. I did not want it slammed on anyone. So, perfect example. P.S. You guys, I'm also folding like 4 loads of laundry, I believe. I did them yesterday, and I'm just folding them now today since I have the time to fold them. So that's why there is so much laundry right here. Yeah, I just didn't get it folded right after washing it. That's kind of my motive. I do it a couple of days later. It's fine. It gets folded, it gets put away. We're all good. Everybody's good here in this house. Here comes my super sweet cat. Her name is Katniss. She's a brat. Clearly, as you can tell, she ran off. Doesn't want anybody to bug her. Miss Lana, my 17-year-old, is going to come and get all of the towels and put them away in our linen closet for me while Dee does a little dance. Wow, yeah. Entertainment for you guys today. I also wanted to mention to you guys, I'm kind of wincing in pain every few minutes, like every time I move, and that is because I am doing a squat challenge. You will see it in one of my upcoming videos in the next couple of weeks. A group of me and some other YouTube mamas are doing 100 squats a day for 3 weeks, and I don't really work out, y'all, so my legs hurt so bad. just after 3 days of 100 squats a day. But I'm already seeing changes, and so I'm super thankful for the pain, because I know that, with the pain comes results. So also I was going to put my shoes on and then decided, sorry, Cori, maybe a little bit later. I didn't feel like bending down because my legs hurt so bad. That is another love note from Ellie. If you guys watched my previous video, that note makes sense. But it just says, she's basically telling me that she loves me and that God loves me, and love is God and God is love. And I'm just very important to her. And it was just a little memento of how much she loves me. So it's a super special love note, and I love getting them. All of this laundry on top of my dresser that you see me going through is clean. My husband did some laundry a couple days ago and put all my laundry on top of the dresser. And like I said, I just haven't gotten to it. But today is my lucky day because I'm finally getting that all cleaned up. I promise I do not have a ghost. That is the wind that is flowing through my house, or the breeze, or whatever you want to call it. But that love note just kind of hopped off my dresser. Apparently it didn't want to be there anymore. I pulled all of these charging cords and one headphone thing out of my nightstand the other day when I filmed that declutter my nightstand video, and I was gonna have my husband get to these to tell me if we wanted to keep them or not, but I completely forgot to ask him about them, and I just left them on our dresser. So now I'm just organizing them and putting them back on his dresser, well, his part of the dresser, so we can discuss what we want to do with them. So I hope I don't forget about them again. If you see them in a future video, it's because I forgot about it. Also, you just saw me sneak my chapstick into my bra. Don't judge. A girl's got to keep her chapstick, and I hate putting it in my pockets. Here comes Miss Taya to help me make my bed. She is definitely the infamous help mommy make her bed maker. She's probably gonna kill me when she watches my video back and she hears me refer to her as my infamous bed maker. You guys will see that I'm kind of sorting my shirts. My short sleeve shirts and my sweaters will go in one pile, and then my tank tops, which I use for undershirts, will go in another pile. And then I count them and bring out that many hangers from my closet. That way I don't have to make multiple trips. Part of it is a little bit of my OCD. Part of it is I just don't want to make multiple trips. But if you're wondering what I'm doing, that is what I'm doing, because my short sleeve hangers are different than my tank top hangers. I'm sure you guys have seen the hangers. The difference is you know them. I'm dying at my response. The wind blew my shirt up, and then, well, it didn't blow it up, but it blew the sleeve of my shirt, over a little bit, and my door shifted, and my camera is currently in my bathroom, so it kind of scared me. I was like, holy cow, ghost town. But guys, I promise it's just the wind. I do not have ghosts. I will not be cleaning the inside of my toilet today because my 17-year-old did that for me. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day.